friends, here we're going to draw a dragon.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. And we're using our crayons to draw with, but you can use something different like colored pencils or even oil pastels.
You can also use different colors.
Yeah, I used red and orange, but I love that you use purple and pink. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first use our black crayon and let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw it right here and draw a happy dragon. And then we can draw two little nostrils. It looks like a smiley face. Then let's draw bigger eyes. We're going to draw one circle here and another circle over here. And then let's draw the pupil inside and we'll color it in. So a little circle and color it in. There's our little dragon's face. Now let's switch to the color of our dragon. I'm using red. What color are you going to?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, purple dragons are the best. But I'm going to draw a red one. We're first going to draw the top of our dragon's head. We're going to draw a curve going over the top. Yes. We're going to draw a cheek. And then we're going to come underneath and then connect to the other side. So we got a cheek just on one side. I love that. Yeah, your head is a lot bigger. I'm going to change my dragon head so that it's bigger here. We're going to color it in solid later. So that's okay that I have two lines.
Yes.
Now let's draw the body. We're going to draw it curving under with the letter U. Oh, also let's add ears up here on each side.
I actually did not know that dragons have ears.
This one does, but I don't think they do, but it's okay. Now let's draw the arms. Let's draw a rectangle shape coming out for one arm. And then we can draw a rectangle shape coming out on the side. And then let's draw a rectangle for the leg on each side. What's our dragon missing?
A tail.
A tail. Let's draw it curving out to the side and then we'll come back in. Yes, okay. Oh, also let's draw a belly on our dragon. Draw a big oval shape. Now let's switch to a second color that we're going to use on our dragon. I'm using orange. What are you using?
Pink.
Pink, okay. Let's use this for the wings. So let's draw a wing coming out to the side or up. So a diagonal line coming up. Yeah, you can start down here by the shoulder. There you go. And then we're going to draw it coming down. Okay, and then we're going to draw upside down, letter U's connecting in. There's one wing. Let's draw another wing on this side. Same thing. Up, down, and then connecting it. They look like bat wings. Yeah, there you go. You did it. Oh, also, let's give our dragon a unicorn horn. Just for fun. Was that a horse?
Yes.
And we did it. We finished our dragon and it looks awesome. Yours is always my favorite. Except we still need to
color.
Yeah, we need to color everything in solid. Let's fast forward this part, but our art friends can pause the video and take time to color their drawing. You can also add extra things to your drawing, like a background or maybe a bow or eyelashes, whatever you want. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it. We finished coloring our dragons and they turned out awesome. I especially love yours. And I really like that you added a big head. The next time I draw my dragon, I want to draw the head like yours.
Thanks. And I like how we added some claws.
Oh yeah, I like that too. We added extra claws and our art friends could add different details. Maybe clothes or background.
Or more dragons.
Yeah, more dragons would really complete your drawing. I also went around the shapes again with my black crayon just to make the lines look darker. But you can leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier.
We hope you have fun drawing dragons with us.
We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.